Hi, my name is Gina Pike, and this is my YouTube channel called the Knitting Turnpike. Welcome. This video is an introduction video to give you a little bit of information about myself and about this channel, a little bit of history about myself. I started knitting in 2010 and taught myself how to knit using YouTube videos, much like this. But let me step back a little bit further before I go down that. I'm a little bit different in my knitting because I do have a back disability. I hurt my back in 1998 and had to go through a lot of tests, a lot of procedures, 5 surgeries, trying to fix everything because it was very badly damaged. And they fixed everything structurally as much as they could, but I still have nerves that were crushed that couldn't be repaired. And so I live every day with chronic pain, and it affects my life and everything that I do. There are days when I don't feel good, so I can't knit. But there are days when I can knit a little bit. I'm constantly having to change things up for me to accommodate the back pain and leg pain. I can't sit too long, stand too long, so I have to lay down a lot, which I can't knit while I'm laying down. So there's a lot of time that I can't do knitting, but during the day. But when I can, because I love it so much, I do try to knit every day if I feel like it and am up to it. Also, because of this disability, I did have some extra time on my hands, and that's where I decided, I've always wanted to learn how to knit, and that's where I decided to teach myself how to knit. And as I said, I started out with knitting looms and did that for about half a year. This was in 2010. And I was looking for patterns, things to make, and I kept finding that the patterns that I loved were hand knit. They weren't loom knitted, or I was also really fast at crochet. I picked that crocheting up really easily. So a lot of patterns I saw that were crochet patterns weren't really exactly what I wanted to make. They were nice, but not exactly what I wanted to make. So I decided after about a year of that, crocheting and loom knitting, that I would just go ahead and bite the bullet and teach myself how to hand knit. And I used YouTube videos like this, or videos that were posted on like yarn sites. I think Knit Picks has a lot of videos, or they used to. And I used a lot of those to pick up like different stitches, different cast-ons. And I just jumped in with both feet and started making things. And I ended up kind of going down the shawl path. I've made a lot of shawls. I definitely want to learn how to make socks and sweaters more, and I hope to show that here on this channel. I wouldn't say I'm an expert knitter by any means. I'm really slow because of my disability, and maybe I should show you. The way things happen with me, I end up I kind of lean forward when I walk. My gait's slower. My back was kind of like, I lean like this. I don't know if you can see. Sorry, I'm trying to do this before the sun starts to hit me here in the stand. But anyway, as you can see, the sun's coming in. My hand's a little blown out there. Anyway, my back walk is like this. And I also sit like that. So I have to put a lot of weight on my forearms, and I lean on pillows. I don't know if I can show you this easily, but I'm leaning on pillows right here to support my weight. So my knitting here is a lot, let's just be honest here, it's a lot different than most people's, because I'm putting my weight on my arms and then having to knit. so it's not like anybody else's. And you know, everybody's knitting should be their own journey. It's their own thing. So I do want to show you how I do it. I want to show you patterns that I like, that I think are very pretty. Sorry about that. So I can promise you I won't be super fast. You'll be able to keep up with me. And also in knitting things, I want to show you things that I've knitted, and I'm sure that I'll be slower than most, but I'm going to do my best, and it's my journey, and I just want to share it with you. And my goal with this channel is just to share my knitting and hopefully connect with other people that are like-minded, that love knitting as much as I do, and love yarn and fiber, and just enjoy the whole process of it, and making things for friends and family, or maybe for yourself. I am on Ravelry, and my Ravelry name is Knit by Moonbeams. It's the same in Instagram, and I would love for you to connect with me here. I would love for you to subscribe and join me in this journey. I'm not exactly sure where where this is going to go. Like I said, I'm just going to share the knitting process, things I'm making throughout the year, projects I've decided to go ahead and do, and patterns. And you know, I'll be open to suggestions of videos that you guys may want me to make if I can do it. But I will try, certainly try. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I would love for you to subscribe and go on this journey with me, and I look forward to connecting with you and learning more about you. And thank you again for watching this.